This is the Emirates airbus a380-800.
Over here where you can see the four windows in the upper deck is the first class, and even in the main deck the four windows are the first class. Then from the fourth window in the upper deck till this window is the business class, and from the fourth window in the main deck till this window is the business class also. Then in the upper deck from this window till this last window is the economy class, and from here in the main deck from this window till this last window is the economy class. There are four powerful jet engines. The scale is 1.200. This is the tail. You can see this is the tail.